In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and Namehero and set up the right hosting path for your website. Let's start with the big picture. If your hosting can't keep up with database activity or sudden traffic spikes, your site slows down, visitors leave, and your search performance can suffer. That's why this comparison matters. Cloudways and Namehero may both promise speed, but they're built on very different ideas. Namehero is centered around a private cloud environment powered by Lightspeed web servers. That means you get a fast, optimized setup with a familiar account dashboard and standard panel style management. It's designed to feel more all-in-one and beginner-friendly. Cloudways, on the other hand, is a managed layer built on top of providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, and AWS. Instead of traditional shared resources, you get an isolated virtual machine where the RAM and CPU are dedicated to your server, all managed through Cloudways' custom control panel. When it comes to speed and caching, each platform has a strong advantage. With Namehero, you can use the free Lightspeed Cache plugin along with quick.cloud integration, which gives you efficient server-level caching and image optimization without needing extra paid tools. Cloudways uses its Thunderstack setup, combining Nginx, Apache, Varnish, and Memcached. If you choose a server with 2 GB of RAM or more, you also unlock a Redis object cache benefit that's especially useful for busy online stores and database-heavy sites. Now let's talk cost. Cloudways uses monthly pay-as-you-go billing, so there's no long-term contract pressure. But email hosting is not included. So if you need inboxes on your domain, that will be an extra service. Namehero usually offers lower introductory pricing, but those lowest rates typically require paying upfront for a longer term, and renewals are higher. The advantage is that email hosting is included. If Cloudways sounds like the better fit, go to their website, log into your dashboard, and click Launch Now. Choose the latest WordPress optimized application, select DigitalOcean as the provider, and pick the premium option for faster NVMe-based performance. Set the server size to at least 2 GB of RAM so you can take advantage of Redis caching. Then choose the data center closest to your audience and launch the server. If you prefer simplicity and bundled value, go to Namehero, open their WordPress or cloud web hosting section, and choose a turbo or business cloud plan. From there, select your contract length. This route includes helpful built-in features like daily backups, security scanning, light speed caching, email hosting, and a free domain for the first year. If you went with Cloudways, the next step is to connect your domain and install free SSL protection. In your application settings, open domain management, enter your live domain, and set it as primary. Then go to SSL certificate, enter your active email address, and install the certificate. Before going live, do a final review. Check your server label, confirm your firewall and security settings look correct, and make sure